I'll bring history of math, some, and then we will see some rules. So the first tool we are going to see, again, as I said, this has already been seen by the webinar students, okay? Niculum or complementary method. You write everything as a complement of the nearest tens. Remember what I told you about 0? What did I tell you about 0? The power of 10.
0,
right? Because it is 0 that defines what is 10, what is 100, what is 1000. So when I have a number like this, I write it as a complement, that is difference of 10. Right? So for this, I need to write 09 and 06 because it is there are two zeros here. So now can we find out what is 8 into 9? Do you know what is 8 into 9?
72.
72.
Right? Let's find out how to do this sum. Okay. What I do is I find the complement. Can anyone, people who attended the webinar, can you tell me how to do this sum?
Sir, can I tell?
Yes, go ahead. What is your name?
Sir, Ashi.
Sorry?
Ashi.
Ashi, yes. Please go ahead, Ashi.
So first we subtract 8 minus 1 or 9 minus 2, we get 7. Then we multiply 2 into 1, we get 2, 72.
Good. Good. Okay. Thank you, Ashi. Very good. I'm glad you remember it. Okay. Now, for the benefit of people who are there, who are joined newly, right? What we need to do is we first find the difference. Okay. Then we multiply the two. You get 72. Clear? Is it interesting, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You all understand how this is done? Any of you do not understand, please ask the question because I'm going
So
to
how
give
do you find the complement?
complement is different. Ten minus 2, sorry, 10 minus 8, 10 minus 9. This is 100 minus 91, 100 minus 94. Clear?
Yes,
Any doubts?
sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Is everyone clear on this example?
Yes, sir.
100%, right? Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let's see one more. What is 8 into 8?
64.
Now, how will I do it using this method?
Difference of 8 and 2.
First find the difference of 8 and 2.
Then,
Then multiply 2 and
Then
2.
multiply 2 and 2.
correct. Correct. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
64.
Is this easy?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sorry, someone's voice is breaking. Okay. Now, we have seen one technique. We will go to technique number 2.
Sure.
Okay. 6 into 7 is how much?
42.
40. So first what will I do? I write, this is nothing but 10 minus
10
6,
minus 6.
10 minus
10
7,
minus
7.
right? First you find the difference. Then what do you do?
4 minus
4 and
4 and 3 is multiplied.
4 and 3 is multiplied. But there are 2 digits in this.
The 10th digit will be added to the.
Correct. So what I do is I split the digit. This is units. This is tens. Now what will I do?
The 10th digit will be added to the.
So the
One
10th
which-
digit will be added to this.
Yes, sir.
So I get 42. Clear?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I don't want a single person not to know. Okay, because we are going for more tougher ones.
Understood, sir.
Right? Because these are easy.
Understood, sir.
So I'm going to increase the level of difficulty. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now technique 3, example 1. How will you do 94 into 96?
What's the complement of 100?
Right? And then people from the last webinar, can you tell me quickly, how will you do it?
Sir, is it a complementary of 100 or 10?
100.
It is a complement of 100.
Because 2 digits.
Anyone from the last class, can you tell me quickly, tell me how you will do it?
Yes, sir.
Tell me how will you do it?
The answer is 9024.
9024 is
I
the
know,
answer.
but how will you do it? Tell me the
First,
process.
So
So
first we
first
should find the
difference
complement of
between,
100.
94 and 100.
Okay, one at a time. Complement of
100.
First 100 minus 94 is 6, sir, and 100 minus 96 is 4. So first you have to write in the format of the something like table, sir. Afterwards you have to subtract 96 minus 6. We get 90. So first write 90 at the side, sir, and then 6 into 4 is 24. So 90/24.
right. Hey, before you start, please tell your name, okay? Because it's easy for me to, before you begin to speak, because I want to know your name, okay? But
So my
unless
name
I
is
see, right? Once the class starts going, I will remember all your names, okay? First 2-3 classes,
Madhav, sir.
right? Yeah, good mother. So now, for the benefit of everyone, right? I don't want anyone to not understand. So 94 is closer to 100. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is why I'm choosing 100 and not 10. Okay. 94 is closer to 100. This is 100 minus 94. This is 100 minus 96. And note, I am writing this as a 2-digit number. Right? Why I am writing is as a 2-digit number?
Because 2 zeros in 100.
2 zeros in 100. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now what do I do?
Difference of 96 and 6.
I can either do this way or I can do this way. Right? Both will give me the same answer. Clear? Then what do I do? Right? Understood? Then you find multiply. What is the answer?
9024.
9024.
Okay. Now, can anyone quickly tell me 91 into 92? Instead of telling, go into chat and write the answer.
83/72.
Now go to the chat. I said go to chat and write. There is an option in your call, right? Zoom call, chat. Right? Give the answer in chat. 8372. Good. You are all learning. Is everyone clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? How many seconds you took for this?
5 seconds.
Sir, I didn't actually keep count of it.
Sorry.
I didn't actually keep count of it.
So next time when you go home, okay, I want you to, do you know how to use a timer in your mobile?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
All
sir.
of you know?
Yes, sir.
So what you are going to do is, you pick any 2-digit number. Okay? I want you to come and tell me in the next class, how many seconds you took. You pick any 2-digit number. Will you do? Will you come and tell me?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
You need to pick 3 sums like that. You yourself pick. I am
Sir.
not going to give, okay?
Okay, sir.
You have to come and report back to me how many seconds you took. Okay? Remember, in the end, we are planning a competition that will happen in the last class. Okay. We will have a last class. There will be a competition. Okay. I will only give you 2 minutes for that competition.
Seriously.
Right? There will be some 10 or 15 questions. Only 2 minutes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Okay, sir.
So get ready for that. Okay. So all these are to make you get ready. Clear?
Yes.
So what you're going to do? You're going to go home,
Like 3 questions.
take your mobile, click the timer, find out how many seconds you took.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's see one more number. Example 2. How will you do 81 into 96? Can you tell me quickly?
Sir, we find the complement, which is 100. So we subtract
81 minus
Can you
100
go
and
type it
96
in
minus
the, can
100.
you go type it in the chat? What is the 81 into 96?
Yes, sir.
Go type it in chat. Four people have said. 5. 6.
Pillar talk. 10 and 100 minus.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
776, sir.
Everyone got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone
Yes,
did
sir.
not get it? Anyone did not get it? Anyone did not get it? Has everyone understood?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Has anyone not understood?
No, sir, we all have understood.
Sorry? Yes, sorry, I didn't hear you, ma'am.
Sir, we have understood, sir.
You have understood, right? Just for the benefit of everyone, I will explain it once, okay? This is nothing but 100 minus 81. This is 100 minus 96. What you do? First, you find the difference. How will you multiply 19 into 4? You do like this, right?
Yes, sir.
Is there a smarter way? Can anyone tell from the webinar? I told you a shortcut. I told you a shortcut.
Yes, sir.
What is that shortcut?
So we can first double 19. It will come 32, and then 30. Yeah, and then we can double 32.
Correct.
38. Sorry.
38. So what I said is, because it is 4, I can make this as 19 into 2 into 2. 4 I can write it like this, right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, first what is, so what is this actually? Double 2 times. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it easy?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if I ask you to do 18 into 4, how will you do? Can you quickly tell me? What is 18 into 4?
72.
Right?
72.
How much is
70.
how much is 22 into 4?
88.
88.
88.
Right?
88.
You all understand how to do it now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? These are all smarter ways of managing. This will take time. This will not take time, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How much is 23 into 4?
92.
92.
Right.
92.
Correct.
92.
92. Right?
Yes,
How much
sir.
is 52 into 4?
208.
208.
208.
208.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Quick, right? You can do it
Yes,
without multiplying, right?
Yes, sir.
That's what I want you to do.
Sir, I didn't get.
You don't get that.
No.
52 into 4 can be written as 52 into 2 into 2.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
What I do is now 52 into 2. I am doubling it.
Okay.
Right? This is what? 104. Now I need to multiply this by 2. What is this? This is double of that.
Mm-hmm.
This is how much? 208.
Okay.
Clear, ma?
Yeah, sir. Yes. Thank you.
Anyone having a doubt, please raise your hand, okay? I don't want anyone to have a doubt. So this is very easy, right?
Yes, sir.
All of you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now do you think, can I tell your parents that you will all score better marks?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay. Right? Because that's what, the immediate benefit is that. Okay. But the long-term benefit is you will start loving numbers. That is the beauty. I want you to start liking numbers. Numbers should become your friend. You should see numbers everywhere. If you reach that stage, okay, take it from me, you can crack exams, you can crack entrance exams, you will get confidence in life. You won't realize it now. You will realize it, what you are learning, you will realize it after 10-15 years. So you are all, what are you doing now? You are building the foundation. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir? Hello.
Yes.
Yeah.
Any doubts?
Hello.
Yes, any doubts? Tell me.
Sir, this Sunday we had a Vedic math demo there, sir. So
Sorry,
before
sorry.
that, I used to crack my head solving big problems like 81 into 96. Now it's much more easier.
Very good. Very good. Right. And now let's see one more. 3 digits. Technique 4.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Like the before doubling shortcut is only with 4. Like you asked us, like what is 92 into 4 and 84 into 4.
Correct, correct. That is 4 is a shortcut. Like that, I will keep telling you more shortcuts.
That is only for with number 4. right?
Yes, see, what is the objective? See, take a step back. We want to do things faster. Okay, I will come to your question because I have flashed it. Can anyone go to chat and tell me the answer? Go to chat. You all know how to do it, right? Don't worry whether you are getting it right or wrong. Go ahead and put it. Okay. To your question, right, that technique is applicable for multiplication by 4. That specific doubling technique is primarily for 4. Like this, there are different techniques for different numbers now.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Just 1 minute.
Thanks, Cover.
So now let's see the answer. You got 99,114. See, now first thing you need to decide is there are 3 digits, right? There are 3 digits. Outcome will be what? How many digits will be there?
6.
6
All of you
digits.
agree?
6
Yes, sir.
6 digits.
If it is a 2 into 2 digit, how many digits will be there?
1
4.
4.
4 to 2.
Right?
Okay,
This is
yes.
a basic thing. You need to add, okay? 3 digit plus 3 digit, outcome will be 6 digit,
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
right? So that is one of the ways in which you go and check. Now, how much is 993 into 998? First, what you do is 1000. Okay, you write it as a 3 digit number because there are 3 zeros,
3 zeros.
right? Now, what will you do? Find the difference, right? Find the difference. Multiply. Here,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
right? I think some of you got it as
Yes, sir.
99114.
Yes, sir.
You missed the 0. Now you understand where you have made the mistake?
Yes, sir.
Here,